on right now.
Notification or a better solution.
And we're really curious about that. So
what do you do during that time?
if we turn on our, like notification.
Consequence here is you have to turn on.
And sometimes they hide in their case. They have their own case and they try to hide their smartphones there.
You say that most of the students in the class group notice the phone.
Movie about horror best because it usually make me say like, oh my god.
I love my kitchen because my mom is cook very well.
I will tell you about the kitchen. Kitchen is the place.
Cần thì có phần hát vào biết đẹp hơn.
Yes, sure. If you go straight.
So the answer is Pioneer Language School. Well done if you got it.
Pioneer Language. Congratulations to Black Team.
Xin chúc bỏ chúc. Như vậy là chúng ta
Giải đấu đầu tiên có thể 62-2 điểm.
I like speaking English everywhere. I'm so happy to be in the final round. I'm so happy to be in the final round.
The smartphone has distract the student from the study.
We could also research about our subjects such as math, biology, history.
We totally disagree because if we ban the smartphone,
You can guarantee that if one student turns off their phone,
YouTube videos. Those things are normally the YouTube algorithm says that those things must be 10 minutes long.
just like me. For example, in my class, the classmates always focus on the screen whenever they want, even though the teachers is trying to teaching them some new lessons. They still try to, hold their phones out and then try to focus on that.
If the older student go to that place to watch the video, then the teachers have to be noticed. She not nice. Are you thinking she is smart? She not smart. She can see everything. Most part of the student, if a lot of students go there from 3 to 4 people.
Cha mẹ cho con.